Good morning, my name is Ahmad Newsom and I'm here with NASDAQ. I'm here to interview CEO of NANO Nuclear, James Walker. Good morning, James.
Good morning.
How are you doing today?
Great.
Great.
Hey, we're starting drilling. It's a good day.
Congratulations on this historic accomplishment. Walk us through why nuclear energy is becoming so important.
So it's kind of an unprecedented time in nuclear at the moment. Billions of dollars are being put back into things like enrichment, deconversion, HALEU fuel manufacture, LEU fuel manufacture. The next few years, we're going to look at the rollout of the next generation nuclear reactor systems. And then after that, in the next couple decades, we'll see nuclear being distributed across the world in places it's never been before. Places where remote diesel have gone before and nothing's been able to challenge them.
Well, your KRONOS MMR is different than typical nuclear reactors. Walk us through the differences between modular nuclear reactors and reactors in years past.
So the next generation nuclear reactors are a very different breed to the big light water reactors that you've seen in the past, which is the fuel is built in such a way now where it can't melt down like a traditional reactor system. It goes more than that. These are modular reactor systems, which means that we'll be able to manufacture all the different components in a factory, and we'll be able to ship them all to site, assemble everything there, and you're going to cut down on things like construction times, cost overruns. We'll get economies of scale through things like mass manufacture of the reactors rather than the scale of one reactor system at one site. So it's a very exciting time in nuclear. The technology is very different, and I think that's going to usher in like a new wave of enthusiasm for nuclear.
You're now working with the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. Talk to us about why this collaboration is so important with U of I and what you both hope to achieve.
I think we've seen issues with companies that have tried to get reactors licensed in the past, but not built it and demonstrated, because customers want to be able to see the reactor working, so they don't have to be the first one to buy the reactor and build it and deploy it and operate it and then hope everything, all the kinks are already worked out. We'll take care of all of that. I think something like 60% of the power of the state comes from nuclear already, so it's already got the pedigree. It's already got that history to it. And the state is enormously supportive. They've given us incentives to help us along with the project. And at the university level, they've pushed this really far for us as well. And we're going to obviously gift them this reactor too. It's kind of one of those rare scenarios where everyone wins.
You mentioned a construction permit from Nuclear Regulatory Commission as an upcoming milestone. What needs to happen in order to reach this milestone, and how far out are you?
So we're collecting the geotechnical data. And once we've got that geotechnical data, we can put together our construction permit application, our CPA, and that will be turned into the NRC, who will turn us around to us to issue us a construction permit. And then after that, we can start pouring concrete, erecting steel, and really get into the meat and bones of the reactor construction. But it starts with this.
James, are there any additional milestones aside from the permit from the NRC that investors should look out for?
We're in a bit of a rare situation. Our engineering is ahead of all of our licensing documents. I would say with a lot of companies, it's probably the other way around. Their licensing documents are ahead of their engineering work. So we're in a nice position. We know we're very confident in our design. It's in a very advanced stage. Probably one of the leading designs, I would say, in the country, if not the world, in terms of advanced microreactor systems. Now we've just got to get the documentation for the NRC up to date, and we'll submit that, and we'll keep everybody abreast of our developments on that front.
Well, James, this sounds like a very exciting time for the NANO Nuclear team. Congratulations on your continued success, and NASDAQ is truly proud to be your partner, and we look forward to supporting your growth and continued success.